Well, hello there, extraordinary educators. Welcome back to On Secondary Thought, the home of purposefully imperfect teaching, where we discuss all things middle and high school. It has been a crazy few weeks. Workplace politics or politics in general can just get you down, but I know that my kids and I will be just fine. But enough about me. How are you? I know virtual teaching can be a lonely road, but today's video is here to address how you can take care of you while teaching virtually. As educators, we often give so much to our students and our families that we sometimes forget about ourselves. Today, I'd like to talk to you about how I take care of myself. When I start to feel stressed out or run down, I check on myself using the acronym SPINS. Each letter in SPINS stands for something that I need to do regularly for self-care. So the S in SPIN stands for spiritual. Mornings are really tough if you're teaching from home. There's really very little distinction between your work life and your home life. Because there are several people in my home working from home, my office is in my bedroom, so I wake up looking at my place of business. And boy, does that put me in a mood. So I must, before I do anything else, get my spirit right. I start my day by reading a verse or two from the Bible and asking God for strength and wisdom. Whether it's meditation, positive affirmations, or reading your Bible and talking to God, we all have a spiritual side that should not be ignored. Negative thoughts, bad dreams, or a stressful early morning email can set the tone for your day if you let it. But grounding yourself spiritually can give you the state of mind you need to handle whatever the day may throw at you. Once my spiritual needs are met, it's time to do something physical. As teachers, we spend most of our days sitting down, which is not healthy. The P in SPIN stands for physical. I like to start my day with a few sit-ups and some squats and a walk for about 30 minutes. But physical movement doesn't need to be exercise. You can get just as many steps in cleaning your house as you do walking outside or walking on a treadmill. Is there somebody behind me? It's so important to get up from your desk and walk around, even if it's just for a few minutes. The I in SPIN stands for intellectual. I know you may be thinking to yourself, hey, I'm a teacher. I'm doing intellectual things all day. However, most of what we do as teachers is break down things for students, as opposed to challenge ourselves on our own level. So something that I do to meet my intellectual needs is I use an app called Elevate. It has vocabulary, math, writing, and grammar challenges that get my brain going in the morning. So right after I do my physical activity, I then challenge my mind to get myself ready to think for my workday. Warning, do not bring food to your desk, people. The N in SPIN stands for nutrition. Take the time to get up to have a proper meal. For me, nutrition is also drinking water. It cleanses the body, it helps you think more clearly, and it's great for your skin. Nutrition could also be having a healthy snack before you have the cheesecake. Staring at a screen of anime and BTK avatars is not my idea of socializing. It is important as remote teachers to meet your social needs and maintain connections with adults. I connect with my family. I do weekly check-ins with my parents, conversations with my siblings, phone calls to friends who are far away. These things are important. If your social needs are met through virtual groups, that's great too. I prefer not to since most of my day is virtual. So there you have it, SPINS, my daily routine for staying well while teaching remotely. Thank you for stopping by on Secondary Thought, the home of purposefully imperfect teaching. See you next time.